What it do, YouTube? Bringing you guys another video with the Malibu. Now here's what we're gonna do. Well, I'm gonna be teaching you guys the easiest way to get this Eblem painted black, and it'll only cost you about 99 cents or so, depending on where you buy this product. The product you'll be using is something simple as a Sharpie. Highly recommend like a new one with the fresh tip on it. That way you could get into like the deep crevices of the actual emblem. I had mine painted like this for about a good 2 months, 3 months. Haven't even went over it, and it still looks pretty good to me. Before anything, be sure to clean it with some rubbing alcohol. Go like this, apply a couple coats on it, work it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do it just to go over it, won't do no damage into it. I was gonna order one from eBay or Amazon, but those are like the vinyl, and I don't think the vinyl will stick into this type of material because it's kind of like rocky, or it's not a good material to lay something on it. Pretty much like vinyl, but I don't think it'll stick good into this since it's not a smooth surface to work with. Apply like 3 coats on it. Try to use the little edges to get in the corners, and if you do mess up, you could just get some alcohol and rub it off, or you could just rub it off with your finger. Let it dry. I mean, it will look pretty clean once it dries off. This is like the easiest method, and it will last you a very long time. A little detail like this goes a long way. And this is what the final product came out looking like. This easy DIY video tip on this Eblem, please be sure to like, subscribe if you want more content like this. I do plan on doing more things to the car, slowly but surely. Comment down some ideas you want to see in the car. Share this video with other people, and that's it. Hope you guys have a good one.